Hi traders, welcome to a brand new series of Quantman common queries. In this series, we are going to discuss about the common queries that the users have regarding Quantman. In each video, we'll take a specific question and we'll address it by giving you a step-by-step guidance to make you understand the whole aspects of our platform. We will also share you some tips, tricks to enhance your trading performance. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's see the most and commonly asked query. Why are my orders are getting rejected in Quantman? There are many reasons for this query, but this could be of mainly two reasons, which is like insufficient funds and token failure. So now you'll have a question like, where can I find all those reasons in Quantman? Don't worry, I'll show you now. As usual, log in Quantman. Go to transaction order details. Here you can see all those transactions and you can now also see that your failed transaction. Hover your mouse over here and click more option. So now you will get the exact reason for which your order has been failed. Here it is like token or authorization not found, which means that you have not logged into the Quantman during your market hours. That is the reason why your orders has been rejected. So I would suggest like between 8:30 to 9, make sure you log into our platform to reduce these issues. And not only that, make sure you have sufficient funds in your broker account so that you won't get any further issues like this. Hope this video finds interesting for you and it would be a useful one. We will also cover all your queries in a bit-sized video. Our goal is to make your trading experience a smooth and a successful one. So if you have any queries regarding Quantman, do let us know in the comment section. We will address all your queries as soon as possible in the upcoming videos. For more such updates and information, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!